Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast of Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. A lot transpired in the market between Thursday when we closed and Aaj. USDINR offshore may went down as low as 81.60 but then bounced back to 81.90 as it trades today. So let's look at the events that triggered this kind of a move. Friday, the US retail sales release होने से पहले it had dropped to 81.60. But after the retail sales was released and then the comments came from a couple of Fed members, the USDINR, just not the USDINR, the US dollar index, US bond yields, everything reversed. US retail sales was weaker than expectation, though that was not the trigger. The trigger was US inflation expectation, एक साल forward, that jumped by 100 basis points from 3.6 to 4.6%. और उसके साथ ही वॉलर और बॉस्टिक, ये दो फेड मेंबर्स जो हैं उनका कमेंट्स वर क्लियरली पॉइंटिंग दैट मई में फेड इज लाइकली टू हाइक बाय 25 बेसिस पॉइंट्स, और जिसके कारण द ऑड्स फॉर अ हाइक in the Fed funds market jumped from 69 to 81%, which means almost the market is certain Fed is about to hike the rates from 5% to 5.25%. But at the same time, the market expects the Fed to cut rates during the second half of this year. The question is this, whether Fed will hike or do a final hike, or the Fed will do something what RBI did, that is to surprise the market and pause. But Fed meeting is still almost 2 weeks away. So now and Fed meeting, we could see this kind of a drama unfold up and down in the dollar index in the USDINR. क्योंकि 8160 hold करना, which is a major support in the offshore, is clearly means that 8160 or 70, this is going to be a formidable support for the time being. At the same time, 8220 and 8230, that's going to be immediate resistance. So 8160 say 8230, this could be the range for the time being. Now how to play this market is going to be dicey for the simple reason कि जो implied volatility है, और rather say the option जो premium है weekly options में, या let's say even on the month end options जो 26 April है, इतना compressed हो चुका है. Like if you look at the data of the last 6-7 years, it is at the lower end. मतलब भयंकर compression इनमें हो चुका है due to heavy selling of options. इसके लिए straddle short, strangle short, एक तो आपको प्रीमियम मिलेगा नहीं, दूसरा the risk and the reward is skewed. क्योंकि in case there is a break of range due to any other factor, then your losses can increase significantly. तो उससे compensation आपको immediately premium से नहीं मिलेगा. So it's not a great place to short straddles or strangles, but in case you are doing that, because at least as of now the realized volatility is capped, then ensure that two things. One, your stop losses have to be there. Second, the position size, ensure it to be smaller than usual, क्योंकि ये non favorable trading conditions में your position size should ideally come down. तो एक ये है, आप अगर ऑप्शन सेलिंग करते हो. आयरन फ्लाई में आपको कुछ खास मिलेगा नहीं, क्योंकि हेज ट्रेड्स में इन सच लो implied volatility environment you won't get much of. But if you still want to do a hedge trade, iron fly can be done. इसके अलावा scalping is the way. Scalping means you wait for the prices to pull near this support you buy, you wait for it to pull near the resistance you sell. So that can be done intraday or max overnight kind of trades in scalping. देखिए, ये challenging trading conditions don't sustain for long, because generally challenging trading conditions give way to much better trading conditions in the future. But जब तक ये persist करेगा, तब तक ensure that your position sizes on trades are smaller than usual, because preserve your capital when the trading environment turns favorable. Cross currencies में USDINR, GBP/INR और JPY/INR तीनों में we can see a pullback in prices today because of the jump in the US dollar index and the jump in the US bond yields. ये हफ्ता there are a number of economic data from Europe. The flash PMIs, यूके से इन्फ्लेशन और द जॉब्स रिपोर्ट है, बट यूएस से कुछ खास टियर 1 डेटा है नहीं. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी द बेसिकली द risk sentiments, any comments from Federal Reserve members, along with the data from Europe, which is going to drive the dollar index and other currencies. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.